Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable safe browsing in your Android phone. So at first go to app screen. In my phone default browser is Google Chrome. If you have Google Chrome as your default browser, then just open it. After that tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. After that scroll down a bit and then go to privacy and security. Now from here scroll down again. And here you can see safe browsing option, then just tap here and here it is. Now here you can see three options: enhanced protection, standard protection, no protection. And you can see in my phone safe browsing is disabled. If you want to enable safe browsing, you have to just select enhanced protection from here and it's done. And then go back and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now you can see safe browsing has been enabled successfully, and that is how you can enable safe browsing in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.